MMA Madhouse. I'm here with Justin the Zombie Yakko. How you feel, man?
I'm good.
Justin,
got some Pedialyte and some sushi in me, so I'm feeling real good right now.
Justin just weighed in. Justin fights out of Branson Fight Club. Weight was on tag?
Yeah, 149.8.
149.8. Ready to go down tomorrow night? You fighting a tough guy, Jonathan Moore?
Yeah, Jonathan Moore.
Joplin Brotherhood?
Joplin Brotherhood.
Do you know anything about your opponent? Or?
No, I don't. I saw one of his very first fights. Seems to be a wrestler to me. And from what I know, I think that's what he's going to do, is try and take me down and hold me down. But you know me, you got to catch me first.
I know, Justin. I've seen your last couple fights, and man, I mean, your skill level has jumped up like so many levels. I mean, is this your training? Have you trained hard for this fight? I mean, this is like you're just on another level of fighting. Can you explain that? Or
yeah, it has a lot to do with where I'm at, BFC Fight Club, you know, Branson Fight Club. I got a great group of guys. I got a bunch of young kids in here that are about my weight. They push me to the max. You know, I'm one of the older men in this club. You know, I'm 36, so these kids push me and take me to new limits. And it's all about that. And my head's right. You know, when I was young in my career, I fought in St. Louis and fought a bunch of tough kids up there that I probably shouldn't have fought, but I'll take a fight anywhere, anytime. And it messed my head up. And these guys, they got my confidence and my head right, and I don't fight demons before my fight anymore. I'm really relaxed and happy right now. So
I know the maturity level has gone way up on you, and not only do you are mixed martial artists, but you're also a softball coach.
Yep.
Man, I mean, you go through softball season like on summer leagues and fall league, and you got what, 3 little girls that play, and you coach.
Yep, I coach.
That keeps you pretty busy, man.
Competitive softball team. We just had a doubleheader Thursday night last night, so I actually cut weight up there at the softball game with them guys. Wore a sweater in the heat so I could lose some weight. And,
yeah, there's humidity. You can cut your weight while you're coaching on Thursday. So.
Yeah, so I'm busy. I go nonstop. I don't get home until 10 o'clock at night sometimes. I get my girls fed and get their schoolwork done. School starts next week, so yeah, I'm a busy guy, but that's the only way I'd have it.
Yeah. So I mean, so you got a tough fight tomorrow night, man, and I always hope the best for you. How can the fans predict? What's your prediction for the fight?
It ain't gonna go to the judges, I can tell you that. But I plan on doing what I did with Andrew Sykesman. I'm gonna keep my range, and I'm gonna predict where the fight goes and the pace of the fight, and do what I want to do. And then when it's time to finish it, I'm gonna finish it.
So after you get through with this fight, what's your goal, man?
Well, there's a surprise in the works. You're gonna have to you have to take that up with my coach. But yeah, there's some surprises coming up after this one.
There you go, Justin Yakko. Hey man, you want to give any shout outs, man?
Yeah, shout out to Branson Fight Club, JT Tilley, all the guys that get me prepared for this show fight, for putting on the show. You, HR Jimmy Baker, for always supporting me. My 2 girls that are here with me at weigh-ins, and just everybody coming out tomorrow night. Thanks.
Man, I can't wait till tomorrow night. I know it's going to be a heck of a show. You always put on a good show. I've always watched about every one of your fights, and it's very entertaining, man. I can't wait for tomorrow night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, man.